Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th, where we discuss the NCERT back exercise solutions of physics, chemistry, biology on one single platform. So children, today we are discussing the chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants, जो कि first chapter है आपकी class 12th NCERT का, and they are asking you in the 7th question, what are chasmogamous flowers? Can cross pollination occur in clistogamous flowers? Give reasons for your answer. So children, first of all हमें समझना होगा what are chasmo and clistogamous flowers. Need to understand that chasmogamous flowers are which have exposed reproductive organs. For example, let's say this is a flower. You can see the petals are quite open, and because of that the stamen as well as the pistil of the flower. So this is the pistil, right, and this is the stamen. So the reproductive organs are well exposed to the environment for cross pollination to take place. ऐसे flowers में self pollination भी हो सकती है और cross pollination भी हो सकती है. This is chasmogamous. But if I talk about another category of flower which is having clistogamous flowers. So let's say this is a clistogamous flower which is having closed type of petals so that the reproductive organs are not exposed. So anthers are lying somewhere inside and pistil is also lying somewhere inside. So since this is closed, the inflorescence is closed, the flower is closed, that's why it is not open for cross pollination to take place. So in such flowers only self pollination can occur. And we call such type of flowers as clistogamous flowers, right? तो ऐसे फ्लावर्स में क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन नहीं हो सकती. सो चिल्ड्रन, दे आर आस्किंग यू व्हाट आर कैस्मोगेमस फ्लावर्स. कैस्मोगेमस फ्लावर्स वो होते हैं जिनमें ओपन पेटल्स होती हैं. सो लेट्स राइट द डेफिनेशन चिल्ड्रन. कैस्मोगेमस फ्लावर्स have open petals so that the reproductive organs remain exposed to the environment for cross pollination to take place. Right? And secondly, they are asking in the question, can cross pollination occur in clistogamous flowers? So as we know, they are closed flowers, so only self pollination can occur and cross pollination cannot occur. So in clistogamous flowers, reproductive organs are not exposed. So cross pollination cannot take place. So cross pollination cannot occur or cannot take place. In the last part of the question, they are asking, give reason for your answer. So the reason for this is because clistogamous flowers are closed, right? Because clistogamous flowers are closed, and we have already mentioned the reason that reproductive organs are not exposed. So clistogamous flowers are closed. So I hope children this solution is clear to you, and do hit the like button, share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.